What we're going to set up today is the Solana wallet called Phantom. There's a lot of different wallets out there that you can use. MetaMask. Now I haven't seen a way to set up and use MetaMask on the Solana network, but it is good for other things such as the Avalanche network, MetaMask at least, and a few other of the other crypto networks. But I do like the Phantom wallet. It's very user friendly. And frankly, if you want to interact with the Solana network, you're going to need one. So let's just dive right in. First thing first, let's check out find the website where we need to go to do this. So we just do a Google search first, right? Right, here we are. First one, Phantom. I'm using the Brave browser. If you're using Google, just be careful. A lot of times what people will do is they'll buy ad space and put their scam site above on these, and you'll notice they'll have like the ad symbol here. But don't be fooled. If you're ever wondering, you can always go to their Twitter. A lot of times they'll have a link directly to their application right from there. All right, click on Phantom. So you can add this a couple ways. I'm using Brave, but it is Chromium, so it'll work with Phantom here. Let's go ahead and add it to Chrome. You're gonna see very quickly, add to Brave. Here's an extension. Hit add extension. Pretty simple stuff. This setting up a new wallet. Two options here. So we can either use a secret recovery phrase, like if you already have a wallet. So that what that means is maybe you're moving from a different browser to this one, or maybe you've got a new computer, something of that nature, and you have your secret recovery phrase. You can enter that in, repopulate your wallet on this browser. What we're going to do today is create a brand new wallet. All right, here's a secret recovery phrase. So this is really important to copy this down and make sure that you have this information in case you ever want to recover it. Otherwise, you can lose your wallet stuff forever. So anyway, I'm not using this for anything more than this particular tutorial. So I'm just gonna save it, kind of create a little thing here so I can. Yeah. There we go. Okay, I saved it somewhere. Create a password. This will be what you use to access your wallet on a daily basis. Anytime you want to connect to a website or trust the website, you're going to need to type this in first, and then it'll kind of remain active for a certain amount of time before it locks again. But so make it a good password, super secure. And then it gives you an idea of how you can keyboard shortcut it. And you're all done. Now you'll notice at the top here, let's open this up. So the reason I did this here is because sometimes, like MetaMask, when you're creating a wallet, it actually has you type in the phrase right after as you're creating it, so they ensure that you. Sorry, my microphone's in the way here. So I'm going to pin this to the taskbar here, and it puts the icon up here so that if I never need to access it, I can pull it up. So you're going to see here a couple different things. You got your wallet, you got your amount, you got your deposit, and send. So you can send money to people right from here. You just type in their address. If you have their address, you can deposit from a couple different things. So it looks like here you can buy Solana with a debit card, credit card, or a bank transfer from FTX, which is an exchange. A couple different other options down here. And traditionally, if you have money that you'd like to stick into a wallet, you would traditionally buy the crypto you want with your fiat currency. That's the US dollar, euro, whatever your native currency is, or whichever you're using to buy cryptocurrency with. And you would take it to an exchange like Binance, right, or Coinbase, and then from there you would deposit your USD, your dollars, whatever, into that exchange, purchase the crypto from the exchange, and then from there you would transfer it out and into your particular wallet. In this case, I would need to buy Solana, and then send it to this wallet. A couple neat things about this is it also shows your collectibles. So for example, if I owned any NFTs, you'd see they'd appear here. You can click on them, see some information about them. Pretty neat. And what I love about this is you can swap right inside of the wallet. So and the fees are are very, very nice as far as what you'll pay as a fee to do the actual swap. You can swap for, if you have Sol, you can swap for Tether here. You click on this and you can see all the different things you can swap for. You can get Serum, Radium, USD coin, which is another stable coin, Marinade, wrapped Ethereum, and then you can go from one of the other, so whatever you have in your wallet, essentially. Let's see what else we got here. So this is where your recent transactions and stuff will show up. So anytime you do interacting with the website and whatnot, and you make a trade, or even if you do a swap here, right, you'll be able to see the transaction information in here. And then settings. Here you can give your wallet a nickname. So you can say JD in the DC. Boom. And now you have your wallet. At the top here, if you click on this, it copies your address to the clipboard. So for example, if you were trying to go back over here and you were going to have someone send you some cryptocurrency, they would type in that address and show you add token. Scratch that. I guess we would need to actually have some tokens in here to do that. But regardless, you would just hit send, hit up the address. You would select the token that you want to send, and then put the address in. And we'll show you how to do that in a future video. Let's see here. Display language, English. Choose whatever you like, whatever your preferred language is. Address book's really nice. So you noticed probably if you take a look at the top here, this crazy address. Well, that's my Solana address, and so my friends and the people that I'm trying to trade and transfer Solana with, they are going to have a similar type of address. And if you mess up one letter or change something around, you could actually be sending your Solana into the ether, essentially, into the void, right? And you might not be able to actually recover it. Let's see what else here. So it's nice having an address book. You can actually add somebody, put their name, DJ or JD, put their address and add it, and it'll actually, because it's my address, and it'll actually add them as kind of a friend or a contact list, right? Very nice feature. Trusted apps. These, anytime you connect your wallet to a website, you're gonna notice that this thing will ask you to approve the website and trust it. You only have to do that once, and it adds it to this kind of a cache in here. From there, you can actually come in here as when you see apps, and we'll see this again in a later video when we actually do some of this stuff, that you'll be able to reject it in the future too. So if there's an application in there that you don't like or you don't recognize, you can go in and reject it. Change your password, pretty self-explanatory. That's the password you would use on a daily basis to log into your Solana wallet, your Phantom wallet. This is not your passcode. Auto lock timer. So this is that timer I was talking about. So this will every 15 minutes, and you can change this, right? And I typically keep it at the default so that if I walk away for more than 15 minutes, that's probably a good indicator I'm not coming back for a minute. Lock the wallet. Show secret recovery phrase. So you need to enter your password. We kind of showed it to you prior to this. I'm not too concerned, considering I'm not using this wallet for anything. So, except for this video. Remove wallet and reset secret recovery phrase. So I actually could just go ahead and reset the phrase, type in my previous phrase if I knew it, which I don't, because I'm not really interested in keeping this wallet. And that's it. So if you would have to actually know. Wait a minute, restore secret recovery phrase, invalid. Actually, I don't think I've ever used this before. Let's see something here quick. Copy, paste. Every time you do this, it'll want you to create a brand new password. Excuse me. Fortunately, it will let you use the previous one as well. And here we are back with a new, I would assume, a new passphrase. Nope. Okay. Scratch that. I actually don't know what that feature does. Anyway, as a good general rule, don't show anybody that secret recovery phrase. Keep it hidden. Keep it safe. Keep it secret. I recommend writing it down, or maybe keeping it in a password keeper online. Keep in mind though, if anybody has that as a secret recovery phrase, they can get into your account and potentially take your assets. No bueno. So that about does it for creating a Solana wallet or a Phantom wallet on the Solana network. Please leave me any comments or questions or anything that you'd like to see in the future in the comments there. If you like what you saw, you know, it would help me out a lot to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more. All right, talk to you later.